This guide will help you address audio desync issues in Rocket League. Follow these steps to ensure your audio and gameplay are perfectly aligned. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Rocket League and make sure all settings are configured correctly. Adjust the volume levels for music, sound effects, and voice chat to see if it resolves the desync. Step 2. Update your drivers. Ensure that your audio and graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card and graphics card to download the latest drivers, as outdated drivers can cause audio issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. In the game settings, try changing the audio output device. If you are using headphones, switch to speakers or vice versa to see if the desync persists. Sometimes, simply changing the output device can fix the problem. Step 4. Verify game files. If the issue continues, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve audio desync. Step 5. Restart the game. After making changes, we start Rocket League to ensure all settings take effect. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up any lingering issues with audio synchronization. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.